Hey everyone, thank you for your support of the work we do here at chartingwealth.com. It has been such a blessing to me to come to you every day. You might say, Tom, why is that? And I will tell you, because it has made me get into the market each and every day, whether I like it or not, for years now. And it's what I encourage you to do every day, 10 to 15 minutes to be with us to explore what is going on with your favorite stocks and ETFs, to practice trade all the time. And what I want to talk about today briefly is how important it is for you, as you start getting the hang of what we do, to fractional trade. Now, I do it with $1,000. I'm not recommending you spend that much money. But when I am practicing a new technique, I find a new stock that I like, I find a new ETF, whatever it might be, or here lately, I find cryptocurrencies that I want to practice certain things on. There is nothing like doing the real thing. Fractional trading is where you can even just buy a little fraction of a stock. Most online brokers will allow you to do that. You can do that with no more than $100. And if you have a bad day in the market and it goes down 2%, guess what you lose? $2. So once you get ready to graduate from practice trading to spending some real money, please don't start putting lots of real money on the line. Start with just a little bit of money. The nice thing is, most of these brokerage firms now, unless they're option contracts, they'll charge you. They have fees for those. But if you are simply using SPY or SH, that's the inverse fund, or PSQ, the inverse fund of QQQ or QQQ, which is of course the NASDAQ 100. All of those, when you go in and you just literally do a fractional trade, you buy a few shares, you do whatever it is that you feel like putting on the line and seeing how good you are, it helps you practice to make sure that you're not making any dummy errors when you enter trades. Of course, when you jump into a trade, you always do a limit order. When you place that trade and it is filled, the next thing you put in is a good till canceled sell order at whatever you would like to get. Again, I typically do it with options. I do it up 20% and out. With stocks, usually around 2%. It can be more. I can bifurcate it too. I can do up 2% and out half, up 20% on an option, a set of options contracts, sell half the contracts, let the rest of it ride to 40%. Whatever it is you feel like doing, and you can experiment. And what you'll learn is, the more you do this, the more comfortable you get hitting that button and jumping in, the more experience you get with real money. And then once you get good, because you're not going to be good when you first start, and there's going to be a learning curve, but the more you stick with it, the more you do it. It's like that saying that I love to quote. I think it's from Miyamoto Musashi. Is it hard at first? Everything is hard at first. That's okay. Just push through it. You can do this. God bless. Thanks again for all your support. Keep the faith, brothers and sisters.